How to earn money with print-on-demand products. When starting any business, it's essential to start small. That way, you can learn the ropes and figure out how to make money with print-on-demand products before you invest too much time and money into a project that doesn't work. Starting small is essential if you want to make money with print-on-demand products. You don't want to jump in head first and spend thousands of dollars trying to sell something that doesn't sell well. The best way to get started is by selling a few items at a time and then ramping up as you learn more about what sells. When starting with print-on-demand, the most important thing is choosing the right product. You need something that people are already selling online, so there's already an established market for it. You also want something that has mass appeal, something that appeals to most people instead of just a niche audience. Use popular products and slogans. If you're unsure what that means, just look at the top selling products on Amazon and Etsy. You should look at what's already out there in the marketplace, but don't just copy those products. Instead, find something that has been done before and improve upon it by adding something new or different. Use personal experiences and quotes from things you enjoy or are passionate about and capitalize on the popularity of that niche. You can also try to create a niche product that no one else has thought about yet before. If you're successful, you'll be able to make money from it for years to come. Use the right colors and designs. One crucial step to printing on demand is picking the right color combination. The wrong combinations can be bad for your brand and your business. If you have browsed a clothing store, you know that color schemes are essential. If you walk into a store and see that the colors clash, it will be challenging to sell those products. The same thing applies to print-on-demand products. When choosing colors, there are some basic rules to follow. Use just 2 or 3 colors. You don't want your product to look like an intense rainbow unless that's your niche. Use high contrast between your colors. One bright primary color paired with one dark secondary color works well. Make sure that the placement of your text or graphics doesn't interfere with the arrangement of other elements in your design. This includes any images or photos that you planned on using. When creating print-on-demand products, you should consider how your design will look across multiple products. If you're selling t-shirts and mugs, this is not an issue. But what if your product is a poster? The easiest way to test out how your design looks on different products would be to use Mockups. There are many free resources online where you can download high-quality mockups of all kinds of products. Mockups are great because they allow you to experiment with how your design looks before spending any money on printing equipment or supplies. Once you have decided which mockups work best for your product, it's time to start creating digital files for each. There are 2 main ways to go about this: using vector graphics software like Adobe Illustrator or raster graphics software like Photoshop or GIMP. Both methods have their pros and cons, but ultimately it comes down to personal preference and skill level. Use social media for promotion. This is a great way to get your name out there and build an audience. You can use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or any other social media platform you're comfortable with to promote your products. Many people use Instagram because it has a large following and is a platform where you can showcase images of your products. You can also include external links to your products. You can upload pictures of the product and include hashtags related to what you want to sell, such as hashtag t-shirt or hashtag fashion, which will help drive traffic directly to your link where they can purchase the product. Another popular platform is TikTok. Not only are there many people who do print on demand there, but there are also consumers who are interested in getting to know the people they buy products from. Take advantage of this new marketplace and earn more money and knowledge from the online community. Choose a suitable print-on-demand company. Now that you know where to get started, the last thing you need to do is select the best print-on-demand companies. There are many companies out there who offer this service to people from all over the world. The main reason why these companies are so popular is that they provide quality services at affordable prices. A couple of the more popular companies include Printful and Printify. Printful is a company that specializes in clothing. They offer a wide range of products, including t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and hats. Their prices are competitive with other print-on-demand companies, and their quality is good too. Printify specializes in posters and prints, but also offer an array of products. They're also very competitively priced compared to other companies providing this service. They also offer fantastic products like clocks, mugs, and phone cases, which you can't get anywhere else. In the end, it's up to you to find your niche, create unique designs, and start to set sail on your journey through the print-on-demand world. I hope these tips are a great starting point to help you earn passive income and generate more and more financial success and freedom.